Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be on this website right here called FameCash. Okay, it's famecash.co. Maybe you saw this on social media. One of your friends shared this website with you, and you're like thinking to yourself, well, can I really make money on this website? It says earn money on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube, and all you need to do is, sign up. You get 50 bucks just for signing up, and then if you refer this to every friend, you might make $10, right? Then there's a video here and a whole bunch of information here about how this actually works, right? So I'm going to review this page, and then you can save yourself some time if you decide whether or not you want to actually, go down this road and try out this website or not, right? So my name's Aaron Chan. I've been around marketing for many years, over 11 years, and I review lots of different money-making opportunities online, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, courses, MLM, and even websites like this. This is called a GPT website, okay? That means get paid to click. That means you take a specific action and they're supposed to pay you money for it, right? Now, recently, I've been reviewing a lot of these kinds of websites. They've just been popping up everywhere, right? Where they call themselves either the #1 earning network or the #1 influencer network in the world, okay? And you come to this website and literally you can, sign up for free. You can see here, you sign up for free. They take your real name, your username, your email address, and your password, and then there's a back office where if you want to get your sort of, they call it an affiliate link or a referral link, you can get that there. And if you want to take part in different things like, there's a whole list of different things that you can do on this particular site. You can take surveys, you can download videos, okay, and you can also download apps as well, and you can upload YouTube videos as well. Now, here's the crazy part, right? First of all, they say that they're going to pay you $50 just for signing up. So just for signing up for free, it doesn't cost you anything. They're going to pay you 50 bucks. Now that sounds a bit insane, all right? Because there are literally, this website probably has thousands of people landing on it every single day. And if they're paying $50 just for you signing up, where's the money coming from, right? They're going to be losing out on a lot of money. The other crazy part is they say that they're going to pay you $50 for every survey that you take, okay? Now, I've reviewed hundreds of survey websites over the years, and most good survey, legit good survey websites will only pay you between 50 cents and $2 for a survey that you complete. So the question is how can FameCash afford to pay you $50, which is I don't know how many times more than the industry average, okay? So that's a big red flag for me, right? The second thing that they say is, okay, if you upload a YouTube video, we're going to pay you $30, right? $30 is a lot just to upload a YouTube video. That doesn't make any sense, does it, right? Now, there are other GPT sites out there that I've reviewed that are 100% legitimate, okay? Now, one of them is called Swagbucks. I'm just going to switch over here. You can see the screen right now, right? Now, this is Swagbucks. Now, Swagbucks is a completely legitimate GPT website. That means you can download offers, you can watch videos, you can watch ads and stuff like that, and they will pay you real money, okay? Now, this is the big difference. A legitimate GPT website will only pay you 1 cent to 2 cents per action. Does that make sense? That means if you download an offer, if you watch a video ad, if you do, any of the things that you can come here, to do, fill up surveys and stuff like that, you only get paid 1 cent to 2 cents per action. So how can a legitimate website that pays only 1 to 2 cents compare to a website like FameCash that apparently pays ridiculous hundreds of times more than most legitimate GPT websites out there? Well, they can't because it's not real, okay? The other thing is that just for downloading an app, they apparently are supposed to pay you $45, okay? So this is how this works, right? And you can see this here, right? Sign up, you share your link, you get $10 for everyone you refer, you get $2 for every person that clicks your link. That means they don't even have to sign up. They just click it and you make money from it. Just completely unrealistic, okay? And then apparently you can withdraw all your money from PayPal, Bitcoin, and all that stuff, right? Now let me explain how this really works, okay? And you see, a whole bunch of, not very good pictures, but these are apparently supposed to be testimonials. And I've reviewed another website that looks exactly like this, so they just literally carbon copied it over, and it's not real. These are all just stock photos. They're not actually real customers, right? And this is how this actually works, right? This is basically an info scam, okay? So if you come here and you sign up, I'm going to click on sign up so that you guys can see. Basically, they ask for a whole bunch of information, okay? So I don't have an account. I want to sign up. they will ask you for your full name, your username, your email, your password, and confirm your password, right? So they make it look really legit, okay? So this is how this actually works. They collect all your data. Now, when you go back into the back office to refer people and all that stuff works, right? And you'll see your money adding up as you complete these tasks. But when you try and withdraw your money, do you know what happens? Well, nothing happens. You can't actually withdraw any money. When you email their contact, what happens? Well, nothing happens. They don't respond because this is not a real website designed to do what it says on the front, okay? All they do is they get you to refer their business to the whole world, to all your friends, and they collect all your friends' data and your data, and what they do is they sell this information to the black market. Now, once they get this information on the black market, they can do anything that they want. They can hack your accounts, they can resell your information to a third-party company like gyms and financial companies, credit card companies. That's why you get all these offers and spam in email. This is how this works, okay? Now, the crazy thing about a website like FameCash is that these guys could operate on the internet for probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years without getting caught by the FTC, okay? Now, eventually, once they get enough complaints and the FTC has, brought this from their lower pile, from the top of their pile to the bottom of the pile because they have so much work that they're going through, right? They will finally maybe go after this website and shut them down. But in the process, they've been online now for years and years and years collecting all this data, and the damage has been done. And when they're finally shut down, all they need to do is shut this page down and open up a brand new page, just like websites like this. Look, this is another one that I reviewed a little while ago. It's called taptoearn.co. It's so similar. Look, make $500 today. This is the #1 influencer network. So the other one called it the #1 earning network. This is the #1 influencer network. Very similar setup, right? 1, 2, 3 steps. Join, you share your link. It's, very similar. All these are fake testimonials, same thing, okay? And when you try and, contact them on social media, you can't. When you try and email them, it doesn't work. Very, very similar to FameCash, okay? So be very, very careful when coming to websites like this. Look, if you come to a website and it says that you can earn hundreds of dollars, you can earn $50 just for signing up. You don't even have to do anything. You just, earn $20, $50, $100 just for signing up. You get $15 for recommending friends and stuff like that. If it sounds too good to be true, it is, okay? Because real legitimate GPT websites like Swagbucks cannot afford to pay that much because the revenue model doesn't make sense. In order to pay you money, to pay you 1 cent or 2 cents per action, that makes a lot more sense because it's a lot more affordable for companies like Swagbucks, right? But to be able to pay you $50 for free just to sign up, it doesn't make logical sense, right? So be very careful when you come to these kinds of websites, because if you're just clicking around not doing much and you're expecting them to pay you a lot of money, it sounds too good to be true. It is too good to be true, all right? So again, I would stay away from websites like FameCash. If you really want to make a little bit of money from websites like this called GPT websites, then you can check out websites like Swagbucks. However, you're really not going to make that much money because it's not designed to pay you a lot of money, right? Think about it. If you take 100 actions per day, which will take you 8 hours, that's 5 minutes on average per action. 5 minutes times 100 actions a day, 500 minutes or whatever it is, right? That's going to take you hours, the whole day pretty much. You'll only earn $1, 1 cent per action, 5 to 8 hours a day, however much time that is. You're not really making that much money. So you would make more money working full-time in Starbucks or minimum wage, cleaning swimming pools or walking dogs or whatever it is, okay? You probably make more money that way than wasting time on a website like this. However, if you're here and you're like, Aaron, I want to make money online, I saw this because my friend shared it on social media. I've never made money online before. I don't know how to do it. I have no idea what the business models are. Maybe that's you, and I was you 11 years ago. I came onto the internet in 2009. That's a long time ago, right? I'd been working at a full-time job at that point, and I was doing okay, but literally had no time for myself. I was working 12-hour days, 6 to 7 days a week, and I was like, I need to find another way to earn income so I don't necessarily have to be tied down to a job and rely on a salary, in a salary job where I don't even have time for myself, right? And so that's when I started coming online, and I did a lot of research on the internet about how can I create an income online. And the interesting thing is, you may not know this because maybe this is your first time, going down this, make money road on the internet. There's a lot of different ways that you can make money on the internet, okay? There's drop shipping, there's MLM, there's e-commerce, there's affiliate marketing, there's top tier sales, there's network marketing, there's survey websites, there's free websites like FameCash, which is not real in the first place, right? So a lot of different ways, and I tried all of them. In fact, most of them, I would say. And from 2009 to 2016, I literally had invested more than $90,000. You heard me right. Every month, I would take my salary and I would dump it into the online world and buy stuff, invest in stuff, you know, get courses, try all these different stuff. And don't get me wrong, I made a couple of sales here and there, but I made a lot of mistakes, okay? I wasted a lot of money, and I could not get into profit in any single month from 2009 to 2016. So very, very, you know, discouraging, right? But I never gave up because I had friends in the industry and I knew they were doing quite well. So I kept going, I kept pushing, right? Finally, in 2016, got the right information in the right business model called affiliate marketing. And I learned that skill very, very well. And all affiliate marketing is when you find digital products online, like how to lose weight, how to fall in love, how to create a beehive, how to learn how to play the piano, right? Things like that, how to get six-pack abs. You find that digital product, you find a group of people globally all over the world who want that product, and you recommend that, you kind of join them together, and when you join them together and people buy, you make a commission. It's a very simple business model. The problem is a lot of people teach this model wrongly, okay? So in 2016, I got the right information, finally. Learned how to do it, started generating sales, you know, once a week, and then once every 3 days, and then once every single day, and then multiple times a day, right? And that's when I started to do really well, tripled my old corporate income in April 2019, and then went full-time. And now I've got hundreds of students all over the world where I teach them how to do specifically affiliate marketing properly. And, you know, if you would like to learn how to do that, I would love to show you how to do that for free, okay? Now, this is a real skill. So this is not something where you come online, you share a referral link here and there, and, you know, you're supposed to make big bucks. That's not how it works, okay? This is something that you have to learn, right? You have to apply, you have to take action, you have to get good at, but it's not difficult if you actually are willing to learn and you're willing to take action on this stuff, okay? So if that's you and you would like to learn how to do this properly, then I would love to show you how to create a side income, first of all, and then take that side income and grow it to a full-time income, and then maybe you can even double, triple, quadruple, fifth-tuple that full-time income, right? And then you can do anything you want. You can travel the world, you don't have to worry about paying your bills, you can spend more time with your family, more freedom. That's what I do. I'm actually, this is what, today is Thursday, I'm recording this video, it's 11:42 a.m., you know, where I am in the world, right? And I'm at home, this is my home office, right? And so if you'd like to learn how to do that, all you need to do is click the link right below this video. You'll see a little link in the description box. Once you click on that, it's going to go to my website. On that website, enter your best email address, okay? Because I'm going to send a training video that will show you exactly how this works. How do you build this out, all right? How do you build a real affiliate marketing business step by step? What do you do? What do you stay away from? You know, what are the mistakes that a lot of people are making? What are the mistakes that I made that you can, you know, overlook? And then how do you set this all up? Okay, so if you're interested in that, go ahead and click the link below. Make sure you check your spam folder because, you know, email these days, sometimes it ends up in spam, all right? And I hope you enjoyed this review of FameCash. Again, be very, very careful. I would stay away from websites like FameCash. If you want to learn how to make some money online, do it properly, okay? Don't go to these kind of GPT survey style websites. You can't really make that much money anyway. Remember, with Swagbucks, you're literally making pennies on the dollar, okay? So listen, I hope you enjoyed this review. Go ahead and click the link below if you would like to learn a little bit more about affiliate marketing, and I hope to speak to you soon. Take care and all the best to you.